Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to send photos in TikTok message. So unfortunately, if you go to your TikTok application and you want to send a photo or picture to someone, there is no option here that you can send a photo or video to someone here on your TikTok message. So as you can see, if I'm going to tap the sticker icon or other features here, there is no plus icon. If there is, then you can only send like, posted, and favorites. There is no option that you can send a photo from your device or a video from your device. So what you're going to do here in order for you to send a photo is first you have to upload a photo or video here on your TikTok. Even if you go to your gallery and then locate that picture or photo and then tap the share icon, you can only post this to your TikTok, but you cannot send this to a private or to the private message. So the best thing that you can do here to send this is you need to upload this picture or photo to your TikTok first. So you can add caption, you can tap this privacy settings. You can view the post. You can set this to friends, or friends can view this post. And then after that, you can now post this photo. And then once you have posted this photo, what you're going to do next is you have to copy the link of your post and send this as a private message or message this to someone here. So go to your influx or search for that friend and then message him or her, paste this link, then that friend will go directly or will see this photo directly to your profile. So this is the best way on how to send photos in TikTok message. If you want to suggest a topic or if you want us to create a new tutorial, please do comment down below and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.